What's up, guys? So this is the new auction buy. It's a 2003 Nissan Sentra with 110,000 miles, clean title. I got the car for about $500. After taxes, it came out to about $7. And everything on it is okay. Let me just open it up for you. You guys can check it out and see. I was cleaning it out. Don't mind that stuff back there. We need a radio. Fire's right up. Let's pop the hood in for you. It will need an engine cover, which shouldn't be hard to find. But everything is running good. I've been driving it. Got it washed. Probably need to wash it again. It's already dirty. But yeah, here it is. $500, 110,000 miles. Let's take it for a spin. Okay, so we're driving it just to let you see how it drives and what we got for about $500. Of course, there's no radio, but that shouldn't be hard at all. That's only like $20 to get a new freaking radio in there, and then we'll see what's going on with that. But as you see, 110,000 miles. This is a 4-cylinder. It's a 2003. Really great car. Really nice driving car, commuter car. Great on gas. It's pretty clean for the most part. It being an 03. AC is blowing ice cold. So it's a pretty good buy. Transmission is good. I mean, I'm not expecting it to drive like a freaking Camaro. It's a 4-cylinder, so I can respect the light pull it has on the gas. Oh, I wanted to make the light. I should have made the light. Hey, look, there's a red Nissan Sentra right there. Look at that. Mine's is actually that, but without the wings. So now I know what a bunch of you guys are thinking. Why did he get that old little car? Well, for the price and for the mileage that's on the dash, man, you can't beat this. It's still like a $2,500, like $1,800 car, and it runs perfectly good. The AC is ice cold. There's no issues with it. It's just a little minor wear and tear, which is cool. It's easy to work with and get you where you need to go on like $4 of gas. I think I won. What do you guys think? All it really needs is a freaking radio and one of these armrests. I need a radio, armrest, and an engine cover, and this thing will be almost OEM. No lights on the dash, no check engine light, none of that good stuff. It's not automatic, but that's something we don't have to worry about because we have really good AC. So that should be fun. It's gonna be up for sale in about a week and a half, tops maybe 2 weeks at most. I'm just waiting for the title to come in my name. So yeah, this will be a quick one we'll flip, and a nice one we'll make a little profit on, you know. So stay tuned to see what we do with it and how much we get rid of it for. In the meantime, we're gonna check IAI and Copart and see if we can find some more cars. One quick last look. It's something about gas savers that always make me feel super, super low key. Like in this car, I feel like I never will get pulled over. Like, I don't even drive my Camaro since I had this. Haven't drove it one time. I only put $10 in it, and I've been like all around Las Vegas.